Step 1, clean out the brush. Okay guys, so I just want to show you, this is a Stihl FS 131R with a Renegade steel blade, and so far, like after maybe 10-15 minutes, this is the progress so far on the weeds. So did a good job, but it's gonna take some time to cover all this, I think like 600 feet, 800 feet of the whole front of the property, but you have to start somewhere. So far this is the progress. I have a long ways to go, but we're excited to see what it will look like once it's nice and clear.